In order to get more commercial leads, your walkthroughs need to be precise and detailed so that you can give them a price that is fair and that also works for you. In this video, I'm going to break down the steps that you need to know in order to have an effective commercial cleaning walkthrough. So first, let's start with the importance of the walkthrough. We both know that the last thing we want is to have any miscommunication, any mistakes, and down the road it just becomes an issue. So to prepare for your walkthrough, you will need a piece of paper that has the qualifying questions and things you need to know during the appointment. To make your life easier, just build a checklist, something simple you can just fill out as you're doing the walkthrough. This could be the square footage, how many offices, how many bathrooms are in the building, and to be able to upsell them, you can also look at the windows, see what type of flooring they have. All of these details will give you the ability to service them best and service them down the road if they are looking for a waxing service or even a window cleaning service. So many people use a square footage reader, and you can totally get that. Those are usually about $50 to $60, and that helps you read the square footage of the building. You can go with that option, or you can go with the option by knowing how many offices and how many bathrooms, hallways, lounge areas are in the building, which is what I do. I do this because I have the experience of cleaning out in the field. I know how long it's going to take to clean that facility, but if you want to get started and be precise when it comes to square footage, get yourself one of those square footage readers, and that will give you the precise size of the building. When doing the walkthrough, you want to ask the person that's walking you through, which should be the decision maker, what are areas that you shouldn't touch? What are areas or offices that do not need cleaning? This will give you a viewpoint on how to put the estimate together. Now, we build our price based on how many hours it will take to do the job and how frequent they're going to want these services. Once you're doing the walkthrough with a person that is showing you around, ask them if it's okay for you to do your own walkthrough. This is where you can start taking those notes. Refrigerators, sinks, chairs, tables, these specific things is going to take time for you to clean, and make sure you just get all of the notes that you need so that as soon as you step out, you don't need to go back in. Before you walk out, make sure you talk to that key person again. Ask them what would be the next steps. Do you need to call? Who do you need to send the proposal to? And when can you get a response back? I also like to ask them when they're looking to start this cleaning service. This will give me the ability to put it on the list of importance. If they're not looking to get started until next month, and I can let them know I can send you this proposal by the end of the day or by end of the week. If it ends up being a winning contract, which we all hope it is every single walkthrough that we do, then I have them DocuSign it, and I have my quality control person do a walkthrough with me around the building, so that when we do start services, my quality control person already knows exactly what this building needs, and then we can train our cleaners to provide that service. Now for some gold nuggets. Equip yourself with a calculator that is going to help you find your pricing a lot faster. We currently use our own calculator through a spreadsheet, which is input and gives us the pricing specifically for that building. Offer a customized solution. So to your standard cleaning, you can offer window cleaning, floor cleaning, carpet cleaning. Last thing businesses want to do is start searching for other business providers. So if you can offer all of that in a bundle, you're going to save them time, you're going to become more valuable, and your price can be way up. You can be a one-stop shop. So these steps are going to help you how to do an effective walkthrough for those commercial clients. If you want to know how to get commercial leads, click this video here. If you receive value through this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.